Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to post photos on TikTok. If you want to post photos on TikTok, then first of all, open up the TikTok application and log into your account if you have not already. Now once you're in the home page after logging in, tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Make sure that you are inside this photo option at the bottom, and then you can go ahead and click a picture using your shutter icon at the bottom center. After you do that, you will be able to click the picture. Now, if you want to choose a picture from your device's camera roll, then you will need to go ahead and tap on the camera roll icon at the bottom right corner from the Photos tab, and then select a picture from your device's camera roll you would like to use. After choosing the picture, it will also help you add a sound related to the picture that you've just uploaded. You can also go ahead and add multiple other pictures by tapping the plus icon at the bottom. Choose another picture from your device's camera roll. You can select up to 34 items at once. After choosing the pictures, tap on next at the bottom right, and you will be able to add multiple pictures on TikTok. Now click on the next button at the bottom right corner once you are done. You can also go ahead and select the order of the picture. Simply press and hold on to it from the bottom and place it on the desired order as you want them to appear. After you are done, click on next to the bottom right and then go ahead and describe your pictures. Add text, filters or stickers to customize your post. And then finally, after you are done writing down a description or selecting your cover, click on the post button at the bottom right to share your photo slideshow. And just like that, your photos are on TikTok, ready to be viewed by your viewers. So that's how you can easily post photos on TikTok. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.